Today, we're going to discuss the Notes app on an iPhone and how it can be used within an internship setting. This is actually a very versatile app. You can use it to write down reminders for yourself or lecture notes. You can insert pictures and links within the app. You can scan a document and add your own notes to the document. You can draw sketches or write down formulas. And you can create folders or add tags in order to organize all the notes that you take. So it's simply called Notes. And if you open it, you'll see that you can have multiple folders. So, for example, you could create a folder just for your internship setting. And then you can either add a note for each day you have in your internship, or you can have ongoing notes, however you prefer. If you click on the camera button, you'll see that you have several options. You can either choose a photo or a video that is already uploaded on your camera and insert it into your notes. Once you've selected your picture or video, click on Add on the top right, and that picture or video will be added to your notes. Something else you can do is if you click on the little crayon next to the X, you can choose to write or to draw something. This feature may be particularly beneficial if you have formulas to write. Once you're finished writing, simply click on Done on the top right, and whatever you've done will be saved. If you click on the camera, you will see that you can also take photos or a video live on the spot. Simply select whether you would like to take a video or a photo, and then once you're done, click on Use Photo, and it will insert it into your notes. If you click on the camera, you will also see that you can choose to scan a document. So simply point your camera to the document you would like to scan, and it will insert the pictures. So let's say your internship supervisor has something on the board that you find interesting. You can take a picture of that. And you can even share your internship notes with other individuals if you want to have a collaborative process going on.